Simplify 16x raised to power 2 y all over 4xy. To do it, we need to first of all expatiate this. So I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, we need to express this 2 times x times then the y there, y all over. To express 4 is 2 times 2 times the y there times, sorry, the x there and the y. Okay, we need to cross whatever thing we have here. We use it to cross the one up there. So this 2 we cancel this 2 we cancel this. Okay, this x we cancel this x, this y we cancel this y. So that's all we have for now. So we'll bring down the remaining ones. So I'm having 2 times 2 times x. So left with 2 times 2 times x. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times x is 4x. And that's the answer. Thank you very much.